Hey everyone, Alec here with Veed, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make videos for social media. So in 2020, video content is becoming more and more important on social media. So in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to create videos for social media the best and easiest way possible. Some video editors out there make the simplest tasks quite complex. However, in this video I'm going to be showing you Veed, which is an online video editor that helps you create video content for your social media platforms in just a few clicks. With Veed you can easily add automatic subtitles, you can add progress bars in a couple of clicks, you can easily change the aspect ratio to make sure it suits the platform you're posting that video to, and much more. So with that being said, let me show you exactly how to make videos for social media. So like I said, the tool we're going to be using is called Veed, so you can either head over to Google and Google Veed, which is V-E-E-D. If not, as usual, the links are going to be in the description down below. So once you're on Veed, if you don't already have an account, you'll be prompted to create a new one for free, and if you do already have an account, we're just going to click on the new project button. Now we've clicked on the new project button, we're in Veed's video editor, and this is where we want to upload our video. So I'm going to click on the upload video button. I'm going to select my video that I want to turn into a social media video. In this scenario, we're going to be turning this video into an Instagram post. So first of all, if I click play, hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to the social media. As you can see, I have my video in Veed's video editor. I can play it, I can scroll and browse through it. Now, the first thing you want to do, if you need to split, trim, edit, add more videos, cut, all of this stuff, it's very straightforward. Now you can select the clip and you can either click and drag the end of either side of the clip. Then once you've dragged off the beginning, for example, remember to drag your video back to the beginning of the timeline so it doesn't start with a black screen. And then if you want to cut your clips or cut out a clip from the middle of your long clip, for an example, again, if I just take the playhead, we're going to place it here. I click the split tool. Let's just say I want to cut out here because I make a mistake. I can click the split tool again after I select the clip, and then I can delete the middle, and then there you go. That's how you can remove the middle, and then I could just actually split this clip just like so. And this is exactly how you can cut and edit the video. Now I'm just going to quickly undo all of this. Once you've done all the video cutting that you need to do, the next thing is actually change the aspect ratio. So like I said, in just a few clicks, we can change this 16:9 aspect ratio video into a 1:1 Instagram post. So to do this, we're going to click on the canvas size drop down menu, and then here we actually have the square 1:1 aspect ratio that we can select. So if I select this, as we can see, we now have the video that's turned into a square 1:1 video. If I click on the video tab on the left, I can actually click on fill frame or fit to frame to have two different layouts of my video. And I can also just select the clip and drag it out exactly how I want. If I want a bit of a background, I can also change the color in the project tab, and I'm just going to select green for this video. So there we go. I can click and drag and resize my video just how I want it on the video canvas. And I also want to show you that if, for example, we're posting this as an Instagram reel, an Instagram story, or an IGTV, we can also change it to the, let's just say the story 9:16 aspect ratio, and again just click and drag it just how we want it. So now if I click play, about everything and anything related to social media. As you can see, I've quickly and easily adjusted this video for an Instagram story. Now what I'm going to do is quickly just change it back to the square 1:1. In the video tab, click on fit to frame, and we're just going to drag it up like this, maybe drag it down a bit as well, and I can also adjust it later. But once I've done this and I'm happy with it, now what I'm going to do is actually click on the subtitles tab to add some subtitles to my video. So I'm going to click on the auto subtitle tool, I click on start, and depending on the size of your video, this is going to take a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes, and Veed is going to automatically transcribe all of the audio from your video into text and turn that text into subtitles. So now as we can see, it's finished, and we have the subtitles in our subtitle editor, the timeline at the bottom, and then on the actual video canvas. Now if I go back to the timeline and I click play from the beginning, podcast, I'm your host Alec, and in this podcast we're going to be talking about everything and anything related to social media. As you can see, the subtitles are pretty accurate. If there are any mistakes in your subtitles, or there are words that you want to remove or add in, it's very simple to do. For example, if they made a mistake on my name, I could go in and correct it if my name was James, for an example, just like so. And as you can see, all changes are made in real time on the video canvas. And then same again for the timing and duration of each subtitle. Next to each subtitle box, you have the beginning time and end time. For example, the line where I say I'm your host Alec starts at 0.6 seconds in the video, and it ends and it stops being displayed at 1.8 seconds in the video. Now again, just like any element within Veed, you can click and drag it around on the video canvas, and you can also change the style. For example, I want to remove this black box around my subtitles, and I'm actually going to choose this preset right here in the style tab. So it's the white text with some black drop shadow, and I think this looks pretty good. However, I'm going to make my subtitles just a little bit smaller, just like so. So now if I click play, I'm your host Alec, and in this podcast we're going to be talking. This is perfect. Now the next thing I'm going to do is actually add a progress bar. So I'm going to click on the Elements tab and click on Progress Bar and then add Progress Bar. As we can see, we now have a progress bar that appears on the screen, and what I'm going to do is actually place it at the bottom of the video above the subtitles. Click and drag it so it takes the full width, and this basically just displays the length of your video. So if I'm at the beginning of the video, as you can see, we're at the beginning, and then if I'm towards the end of the video, as we can see, the closer we get to the end, the closer the progress bar gets to the end. And if you want to change the colors, you click on F for the front color. So if I make this, let's just say green, and then I'm going to leave the back color as white, just like so. So now if I click play, and in this podcast we're going to be talking about everything. Okay, perfect. Now the next thing you might want to do is actually add an image. So to do this, we can click on add images. I click on the add image button, and then I can quickly select, let's just say, this little icon here, and I'm going to hold down shift to keep the correct dimensions. And let's just say I place the little icon here. And then now what I'm going to do is actually add some text. So if I click on the text tab, add new text, and we're going to type out something very simple just for now, but obviously you can type out what you want. Change the layout. I'm going to change the actual font, let's say Anton. I'm going to change the color to white. And then if I click on the advanced tab, I actually have the option to add some drop shadow, just like so. I'm also going to make it a bit bigger. So let's just say I got to 96. Now if I select it, I'm going to resize it just like this. I'm going very fast just for the purpose of this video. Let's just say I want to place it right here. I want to place that there, and now I can actually just click and drag my video down just like this. There we go. So now if I click play from the beginning, I'm your host Alec, and in this podcast we're going to be talking about everything and anything related to social media. So get comfortable, grab your favorite drink, and let's get started. And that is how to make videos for social media. Veed can also do more than just what I've shown right now. For example, you can change the speed, you can add audio for background music, you can also draw on your video clips. And then once you are done, all you have to do to download your video is to click on the download button in the top right. Veed then starts to render your project, and once it's finished rendering, you can then download it straight to your computer. If you have any questions about how to make videos for social media, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, please hit the like button and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.